So actually it's the same thing. The inferential statistic is still measuring something, but this one the assumption is different because our data is not normally tabulated, and therefore we need to use the different approach or different analysis and different statistical values. That's all. So the first one, dia benda ni sebenarnya is being paired. Dia ada pairing, tahu pairing? Dia ada kawan dia. Kalau yang tadi untuk one sample t-test, untuk kawan dia adalah kita panggil sebagai one sample t-test jugalah. Yang ini saya tak ingat, nanti saya kena tengok. This one I can't remember the name, but I will share with you after this. The independent sample t-test, we are going to use Mann-Whitney use Z-test. You don't have to remember, no. Don't worry, I just tell you the name lah. If you want to write the name, you can write. If you want to listen the name only, also can. Mann-Whitney. Mann-Whitney I've been using to measure the differences between the mean score of group A and B. Same, sama macam independent sample. Beza data not normal. Itu saja. Faham tak? Data normal you pakai independent sample t-test. Data tak normal you pakai apa dia? Mann-Whitney. M-A-N-N. Oh, tak ada kena dia. M-A-N-N. Mann-Whitney. W-H-I-N. Sorry. Yelah, you first time dengar kan? Takkan nak salah je. Mann-Whitney. Mann-Whitney UZ test. Ini adalah test yang digunakan Mann-Whitney lah. Kita panggil Mann-Whitney. Mann-Whitney adalah untuk kita buat perbezaan antara dua mean rank antara A and B. Sama je. Prosesnya macam mana? Sama. Mean is equal, mean rank is equal A and B. Mean rank is not equal A and B. Tapi dia punya calculation different dan dia punya statistical value pun different. Itu sahaja. Kalau independent sample t-test, dia bagi huruf T. Untuk Mann-Whitney, dia bagi huruf Z. So, bila you baca journal, you nampak Z, you tahulah data dia tak normal. Macam itulah nanti soalan dalam exam. Kalau saya tanya kamu lah, bagi Z test, data is normal or not? So, you akan describe lah. Data not normal, why? Because using the non-parametric evaluation. Betul tak? Sebab Z adalah non-para. Faham? The next one adalah paired sample t-test. The paired sample t-test also got their pair for the not normal tabulation. We call it as the Wilcoxon rank sum test. Wilcoxon rank sum test. Ini nama dia, don't worry. If you don't want to remember, this guy also can, no worries. You just need to make sure that, oh, I heard this thing, but I cannot remember when. But you heard it, right? So you are no longer jahil. You know jahil? Maksudnya you dah tahulah benda ni pernah didengari, tapi tak ingat di mana. Never mind. As long as you dah pernah tahu. Wilcoxon rank sum test are being used to measure the mean rank juga antara before and after. Samalah. Awal tahun dengan hujung semester. Orang yang sama tapi data tidak normal. Itu sahaja. Sebab apa dia pakai Wilcoxon? Because the data is not normal. That is the only justification that I can share with you. The next one, we call it as ANOVA if the data is normal. If the data is not normal, you are measuring the mean rank differences between the group is more than 2. We call it as what? We call it as a Kruskal-Wallis test. Kruskal-Wallis. Ni apa benda dah? Bergesin kawan kita tengok Kruskal-Wallis lah, Mann-Whitney lah, Wilcoxon lah. Never mind. This is all the name of the test. Why you need to know the name? Because you will see the name inside the statistical package, inside the statistical software. So at least you know. Okay, I want to measure the data between more than 2 groups. Maknanya awak nak tengok differences of the weight between 3 different races. Data normal atau normal? Oh my god, my data is not normal. So you are going to use the Kruskal-Wallis. If your data is normal, go ahead with the ANOVA, analysis of variance. So far so good? So good, right. Good or not good? The next one will be the measuring of the correlation. Measuring for the correlation, you are going to use what we call it as a Spearman-Rowe correlation. Just now is Pearson product moment correlation for normal tabulation of data. If the data is not normal, you are using the Pearson. Tadi tu, Pearson ni kalau normal. Kalau tak normal, you pakai Spearman. Ini adalah untuk normal. Jangan risau. Awak akan nanti faham apa saya cakap. You must accept it first. Okay. Itu yang lama-lama tu tidur tu. Biasalah. Dan sebab dah tak boleh nak digest. Never mind. Don't block your mind. Make sure that all the linkages are very good. So the first one, if data is normal, you are using the Pearson. If the data is not normal, then you are going to use the Spearman-Rowe correlation. This one, Pearson product moment correlation, dia punya statistik dia R. Yang Spearman ni statistik dia RS. Yang ANOVA ni tadi statistik dia F. Yang independent sample t-test T. Man white ni Z. Ini semua dia punya simbol. Correct. Wilcoxon rank, if I'm not mistaken, is usually using the Z also. And so on and so forth lah. Sama lah, nanti awak try tengok dia punya test tu. Nanti semua ni saya akan ajar awak hari Senin dengan Selasa. Make sure you have the statistical package. I do not recommend you to use the pirate one. I recommend you to use the trial version so that the stability will be good. You use the trial version, and then if you want to purchase, you can purchase directly from the internet. It's very cheap. Okay? Very cheap. Faham Tak faham? Tak faham tak? Okay, habis kita cerita pasal non-parametric. Habis dah? Next apa lagi? Oh, one more. Association. Association ini association ini adalah digunakan, it will be used for you to measure the perkalian association, macam perhubungan lah, pengaruh antara faktor dengan kesan. So this association are covered under what? Under one test and the only one. We call it as a chi-square. Apa dia? Chi-square. Chi kuasa 2. So chi-square ini adalah ujian non-parametric. Chi-square is a very special test. Why? It can function as a both to measure the difference and to measure the association. Both of these can be used using the chi-square. Therefore, the chi-square have two properties of interest in statistical analysis. The first one is the testing for the goodness of fit. We call it as the testing goodness of fit. Testing goodness of fit ni apa? Okay, dengar baik-baik. Testing goodness of fit ni adalah untuk mencari beza kadar. You want to measure the differences in terms of proportion. You remember that we have two nominal and ordinal data, right? This nominal and ordinal data cannot use any of other statistical analysis. Cannot. Why? Because non-numeric. Faham? So the only one and then the best suitable for nominal lah. Contohnya kita nak tengok beza kadar lelaki dengan perempuan. So macam mana kita nak tahu? Sedangkan kadar lelaki dengan perempuan ni is no values. Betul tak? So apa yang kita boleh buat? By using the chi-square. Chi-square ni pula ada dua. Pertama, chi-square yang pertama dinamakan sebagai testing for the goodness of fit. For the goodness of fit. Testing goodness fit, F-I-T. For the goodness of fit. The next one for the chi-square is the testing for the independence, menguji darjah kebebasan. Testing for independence. Ini adalah digunakan untuk menguji pengaruh. Independence. Test of independence. Menguji darjah kebebasan dengan testing for the goodness of fit. So these two analyses are specially designed and especially being used for the non-numeric data, especially data-data nominal. So kita akan gunakan apa dia? Chi. Bukan Chi Baha. Chi Baha is bayang. Kita guna chi-square. Faham kan? So far so good? So stressful. Okay. Stressful is the